Hey guys, Hector here, global artist for Fenty Beauty. And today I'm with the beautiful Johanis, and I'm gonna be showing you how to get this bronze beat. So Johanis is already prepped with Pro Filt'r foundation and concealer in the shade 260. I'm gonna start using my Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Island Ting. And the way I like to start bronzing is really just enhancing those parts where the sun naturally kisses. When it comes to bronzing, it's very important that you know that it's not contouring. It's really just about having that sun kiss effect, that warmth to the skin. So what I like to do is really grab those high points where the sun will naturally kiss. You can automatically see how it gives that nice, warm, healthy glow. Then you grab a little bit of the chin, down the bridge of the nose, and then across the forehead. The application when it comes to this bronzer is very effortless. It's a matte finish, so it allows you to really just blend in with anything you have underneath. Selecting a bronzer can be a little bit challenging, but at Fenty Beauty, we really made it easy for you to navigate through the bronzers. We have a total of 8 shades, which is divided into our 4 categories, which is light, medium, tan, and deep. Within each family, you're gonna find 2 shades, one of them a little bit more neutral and a little bit more warmer. That just gives you the balance to really just play with color. If you wanna go warmer or more neutral, go a little bit darker, or if you wanna use it as an eyeshadow. I like to really just start with a soft application, then build to that intensity that I'm looking for. So Island Ting is more of that neutral shade. And like I mentioned before, I like to grab the apples of the cheek, really ensuring that application is nice and smooth. Give me that nice sun kiss, chin, and then the forehead and temples. So as you see here, I already used Island Ting, which is a little bit more on the red side. Now I'm gonna go a little bit with something more neutral. This is Caramel Cutie. Now I'm just gonna take a small dose of that, just create like a little more of a sculpting on the cheek area. And my application is very light. I don't want to do something too heavy. As you see, I'm doing like a circle, very featherweight application. When thinking about bronzer, the whole goal here is to give it that nice flush to the skin. It is not about making you darker or tan. Very important that you know that, because when you think about a tan, it's an even coat of color, which will make you darker. But when you think about bronzing, it's more of these high points where the sun will naturally kiss. So when you have all the skin exposed, it's important also that you grab those high points. So you grab a little bit of your collarbones, décolleté, make sure you get that neck. Because I'm going for this beautiful bronze look, why not go and enhance those eyes, right? So I'm gonna take Caramel Cutie and I'm gonna saturate the entire lid, really create a beautiful shape, enhancing her natural shape, but just giving you like a nice soft pull out of some bronzer. Smoky look. I'm gonna take the same color using a smaller brush, just really creating this balance. Now that I have the shape that I want, I'm gonna go in with a darker color, and I'm gonna use Mocha Mami to really create like a soft smoke. So what I love doing is layering our bronzers. Just grab the same color and go on the lower lashes. So I have completed my eye look with 2 bronzers. So I used Caramel Cutie, and then I did a little bit of Mocha Mami just to enhance and really reshape the eyes and smoke it out a little bit. So of course with that, you need to bring some light into your look. So what better way than to use our Killawatt in the shade Trophy Wife and just really enhance that center of the lid. You can automatically see how this brings a beautiful light into my look. So I like to use my brush in an upward motion just to prevent any excess fallout. And if there's any fallout, it will fall on my lashes as opposed to my cheeks. So using my same small brush, I'm gonna enhance the tear duct. For me, no bronze look can be complete without cheeks. I love a good blush on the cheeks. So what I like to use is my matchstick in the shade Yacht Lyfe. You see it has that beautiful pinky tone. And just grab the apples of the cheek and work up into the temple. Now it's time to bring that light into our look. As you know, our bronzers are more on the matte side, so any look needs to bring a little bit of light, right? So now I'm gonna actually mix 2 of my favorite Kilawatts. So this one is actually new to our collection, which is Afternoon Snack and More Honey, and of course, Trophy Wife. So I like to start more with a softer approach. So I'm gonna start with Afternoon Snack and More Honey. I'm gonna start right on those temples, go back and forth until I really get a desired look that I'm going for. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Really blend that out. Don't forget your ears, very important. Collarbones, nice and highlighted, and then a little bit down the bridge of the nose. I'm all about layering, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch brushes and product into my Trophy Wife. And I'm really just gonna grab those high points. Here, a little bit of that brow bone. To complete my look, what better way than to use Mattemoiselle in the shade Thicc. Tight touch of gloss bomb. What better way to complete my look than the one and only Body Lava in Trophy Wife. I mean, you cannot do a bronzy look without this baby with this beautiful gold shade. Adds a little more of a touch to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. How do you feel about it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
It looks stunning. If you want to learn more, don't forget to follow us at Fenty Beauty.